Statuses are helpful to communicate stages of an event's life cycle and demonstrate commitments that are being made to customers and vendors. There are 6 stages for events, from estimating to finalized. Please note, some organizations have custom status labels that may not be identical to the default status names. Every new event created will assume the estimating status. If you are leveraging this event to negotiate with retail customers, the optional status of presenting to customer is available. You can move an event to committed status, skipping the presenting to customer step, or you can commit an event after it has been presented and approved. If the event is no longer happening, but you would like to preserve the event assumptions, you can cancel the event instead of deleting it from the system. Budgets for canceled events are freed up to be used elsewhere. Events automatically move to occurred status on the day following the last day of the event. Event owners will receive alerts prompting them to update the event with actuals. Once all of the actuals are completed, the event owner can finalize the event and get it ready for post-event analysis. There are some fields required before moving an event from one status to another. The system will alert you to which information is missing. In the calendar, events are color-coded by status, so you can visualize across different time frames. Event status is also a filter you can leverage within events calendars and within the reporting tool. Strive to move all events from yellow, or estimating status, to the green, finalized status as the year progresses. This will help you make the most of all Shoperations has to offer.